Have you ever wondered how WhatsApp generates huge profits, although being a free messaging app? Does WhatsApp use our data to make money by selling this information to third-party businesses? WhatsApp has made our lives easier, isn't it? Not just free texting, but being bled to call our loved ones, conduct meetings, or even share your favorite snaps or videos. But everything is free. Jan Combe and Brian Acton in early 2009 developed an application to update your status, and hence WhatsApp was introduced. But later, the application was reinvented as WhatsApp 2.0, which was redesigned to be an instant messaging app, and later turned out to be the most used and popular messaging app worldwide. Meta, previously known Facebook, bought WhatsApp in February 2014 for $19 billion. And according to the 2014 Facebook forum 10Q, during the 9 months preceding September 30, 2014, WhatsApp forged income of $1.29 million. In 2018, WhatsApp co-founder and Facebook Inc. executive Jan Combe declared his exit from Facebook. Media reports point out that Combe decided to depart after a dispute with the company over exploiting user data and its desire to allow promotions on WhatsApp. Combe and his co-founder Brian Acton have long advocated for the solitude of WhatsApp users. The quick answer used to be $1 at a time. In some nations, the app used to command about $1 to download. In others, the first year was free, but each successive year cost $1. In other words, WhatsApp had a subscription model. At the prime under his model, it had nearly 700 million users worldwide. Annual revenue was thus estimated to be almost $700 million per year. In January 2016, Facebook announced in a report that because WhatsApp had monetized narrowly, it may not generate significant revenue in the long term, implying that the approach would change. Soon after, WhatsApp disclosed in a blog post that the era of subscriptions had concluded, and the messaging application would now be free to use. There are yet no ads in the app. However, the company's report stated to test tools that would allow the users to use WhatsApp to communicate with businesses and organizations the users want to hear from. The objective is to have individuals articulate directly with their banks, airlines, etc. over the app, while the corporations pick up the bill formerly paid through subscriptions. Though WhatsApp's financial statements are not shared, Forbes evaluated the potential revenue to be somewhere near 27 to 29 billion US dollars by Q1 of 2022. This Facebook-owned instant messaging application now furnishes services to more than 2 billion users worldwide. But the query of how WhatsApp earns money has been in the senses of everyone ever since the dawn of WhatsApp proudly defines its view against abortional advertising and hasn't been demanding its users for a long time. There indeed are some big plans in the intellects of creators regarding its revenue model. WhatsApp is globally prevalent. The top 3 countries are India, with 390 million users, 75 million users in the United States, and 108 million users in Brazil. With SMS apps, evolution is augmented. When one individual's jovial group downloads an exponent using the app, many unexplored users download the app to intercommunicate with the foremost person. These new users then inspire other fellows of their social groups to use the app. By expanding market penetration, the app evolves to be essential, and the user base rises. Industry insiders have assumed that part of the cause behind attaining WhatsApp was for Meta to access users' behavioral data and confidential information. With location data sharing, 100 billion messages transmitted daily, and key to users' entire contacts list, Meta has entrance to much intimate information, all uploaded and held on its servers. While Mark Zuckerberg has formally promised that this information won't be employed to improve customer targeting in Meta ads, it will be unless the user modifies the settings to not share information with Meta. WhatsApp and different messaging providers including Apple have been in a tight spot with governments worldwide after it was clinched that terrorists use these apps to communicate before and during aggression. Governments and counter-terrorism agencies wanted the organizations behind these apps to transfer the encryption key to gain a permit to access messages sent and received by terrorists. The companies, however, denied to oblige. This ushered in WhatsApp's adoption of end-to-end encryption, which deters anyone, including WhatsApp, besides the sender and receiver from gaining access to the information conveyed on the app. The Facebook authority grab eventually came from a WhatsApp privacy policy update in August 2016, notifying users that some of their data would be shared with the parent establishment, Facebook. With WhatsApp having served independently for 2 years after Facebook accession and no plan of ads being portrayed on WhatsApp, the privacy update was more about Facebook endeavoring to cash in on the investment and less about WhatsApp being able to track user metrics and fight spam. The WhatsApp business model is impressive and the best way to make money. The product of WhatsApp is uncomplicated, a vital private messaging service. How it makes money varies negligibly from numerous others in Colosseum. WhatsApp was formed as a freemium service, where users could send messages for free for the first year and then continue at an annual fee of $0.99. They have pivoted from this business model and remained away from in-app advertising. Rather, they make money through WhatsApp for Business and WhatsApp Pay. Several competitors exist in the market, all of which have distinct business models for income generation. Some top foes are Kakao, Line, Skype, and Kick. Line earns money from in-game purchases and additional services such as stickers. Kakao generates gains from promotions. Kick offers users rewards for watching advertisements. Skype is a subscription assistance for worldwide calling. Facebook had new plans for WhatsApp. The company launched the WhatsApp Business application, letting users build their profiles and become verified businesses on WhatsApp. The affirmed businesses can complete their company profile along with certain essential links to their website or Facebook page, set up autoresponders, link their landline numbers with WhatsApp, and incorporate the WhatsApp for Business API with their product offerings. The WhatsApp Business application is free to download and use for all companies. WhatsApp nevertheless earns money via WhatsApp for Business API. The firm expanded its business functionality by establishing its first revenue-earning product, WhatsApp Business API. WhatsApp API lets businesses merge WhatsApp for Business with their systems to reach out to clients via notifications and deal with their questions automatically. To avert ad spam, the company forbade the ability to send messages. Businesses can only send messages to people who have reached out to them first, but the API also helps them digitally send shipping verifications, meeting reminders, or event passes to their patrons. The firm is already working successfully with customers like Booking.com, Wish, etc. Now, how does WhatsApp earn money via API? Well, WhatsApp has designed a strategic income generation plan for this product. It demands businesses for slow replies. Companies can reply to their clients' messages for free for up to 24 hours, but will have to disburse a fee for every message sent after 24 hours. The charge is fixed, but is different for different locations. The businesses can also respond manually via tools or apps like Twilio, MessageBird, or Zendesk. The new Business API for WhatsApp for Business applies charges based on a messaging tier. The charges are first 250,000 messages for $0.0085 per message. Next, 750,000 messages, which is for $0.083 per message. Next, 2 million messages for $0.0080 per message. Next, 3 million messages for $0.0073 per message. Next, 4 million messages for $0.0065 per message. Above 10 million messages, $0.0085 per message. Essentially, the more messages a company sends, the cheaper the rate is. Now, most of you must consider that businesses can invariably use their WhatsApp for Business applications to respond late to client queries. No matter how simple this resolution sounds, this method does not fit businesses dealing with millions of users. Moreover, you cannot use API on any number already associated with WhatsApp. You need a new number to install the API. WhatsApp has introduced a payment option, Pay-to-Be payments, within the application for Indian users, which will further boost its position in the market and make it a preferred application for sending money, just like Venmo in the USA. Users can send money to friends, businesses, and families for free. The user accepting the money is charged 3.99% per transaction. Like other funds transferring services, this app connects to a linked bank account where the funds are taken or from deposited. This service is currently only available in India and Brazil on specific devices. This will further benefit WhatsApp Business in the company's biggest market. During the recent F8 conference, Mark Zuckerberg also disclosed his plans to release the WhatsApp payments feature to the rest of the world. This will open gates to many more businesses relying on the platform, the company capitalizing on the network effect. It looks like copying Snapchat's features wasn't just to steal its customer base. WhatsApp is now planning to copy its revenue-sharing strategies as well. According to the Economic Times, the company has plans to let businesses use the status feature, where text, photos, videos, and animated GIFs can be shared for 24 hours to advertise and promote their business. WhatsApp generated more than $8.7 billion in revenue in 2021 for its parent company Meta. So, did you understand how Facebook converts your data into money? What will you think will happen next? Will privacy concerns among the users be more vulnerable with the application of Meta? Or will WhatsApp be the old simple messaging app it used to be? Comment below on what you think about the WhatsApp Business mod. Until then, adios.